Madeo mana tumuno Kempton Park. It's another day, another dollar. So man, I said on Saturday and vlogs because Ragu service akamotaka in Zimbabwe, you know what I'm saying? And we're going back to Zimbabwe. And I think tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But yeah, I think on the service akamota and do all the suspension so that pachazoka kana tukando Cape Town tunyazotukana nemota yakasimba. Chiri decide to gara Cape Town nekana Joburg. So yeah, ndawezotenga all the service kit. And then now nangomira mechanical tawe tikaze mota. Let me show you kamota kahina pakati. Feel me? So kamota karapako. Kamushatinga. Atamira mechanical tawe. Pakati kamushatinga.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller.
So those new ones are true, sir. And those my control arms, my very easy. Just suspension in Naki. Yeah.
Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me.
So guys, now wabe mushatinga manje. Waba mushatinga. Tapedza kuservice manje. Now let's go home, baba. Let's go home now. Let's go home.
Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me.
So guys, the pizza no gasamota. Mushatinga ndo zvauri. Utise uri mbave. Ndina maini nangu ari panapa. Uri maini kana uri gugu richi? Ndatojera utizira kuti maini ni. Ndotizira kulesi yangu. Ndira gugu wangu ari panapa. Maini, maini zvetu kana sekuru. Aikazo, uri gugu, uri mbuya. Samana tiri ningiri pana. Pa KFC drive-thru end. Tapedza kuservice akamushatinga. That's how it looks like. It's nice, you know. It's nice, looks so nice. So yeah, the service muswatinga, there's my lights to black, my rims are black. And now we're going home. I'll see you tomorrow. We just wanna buy, you know, the young family new and then yeah, we'll hit the road. Just get it. Get me in! Ashkabadin. Tina go today. Look at Angwara, Iro. Tina go today.
Get on the Angwara.
I'm going to show you a big girl.
Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah. Like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charge.
Another day, another dollar. We out here in Johannesburg. Guys, down mono track seat. Take a motor kana. Engineer Blacks. We have been solar. So guys, down mono track seat. Remote. We are in Johannesburg. We hit you up. And get a shit. Stay tuned. How now you wanna? Do you have starter for NP200? Is this a toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pee. So guys, this is how it was looking like. So we have to check out this thing, you know, and put this seat. So guys, this is around my car breakers. Just go get so car wash nini. Because you know, breaking cars, but it's a very, very nice seat, almost brand new. Because it's not worth it to take a new one, and it's gonna take time to order it. So yeah, we got this from car breakers. And just sunungra this thing. Sunungra, this is a spare wheel. It's a brand new tire. It's a brand new tire as well, spare wheel. So I don't got much one. Just sunungra pana pa my inches, tail spanner, and then screwdriver here. So he's coming to do it. And yeah, how's the tires, man? Do the material camera. This is our small baby. The car that you are breaking, do you have that part which covers here?
Which one?
That small part, you know, that thing that you open and then there's a spare down. Okay. So that we have a boot.
Yeah.
Indo barang arbi boy. There are approaching the driver. So there is a city man. So you said you're gonna need to put this one here. Okay. Oh, this one in that one, so that you put those wires.
And this one. Here there is a two.
Okay.
You see here,
One,
and here.
two.
You see, and here and here.
Okay.
You see?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you need to put like this. So you see nice.
Okay.
You just want something like
something.
To put here.
Okay.
And measure it.
Okay, okay.
You see it? You see
And this we're just gonna sit there.
Yeah, you see.
Okay.
See, you need to just to do.
So guys, tukushana ma car breakers. I'm a boat to the truck and then pani sa rupa rosa where it on a way to sit in a bat. So that's what we're still doing right now. We are still waiting. Yo guys, that's not a man. That Buddha a lot of man with that. There are a lot of man with that, but they don't know better. Rambo jenga ma chips and cast zaida quota but they are quoting na munyawa. Kunyero da 1 rand. Yeah? Then kunyero da 1 rand. Maybe tuma bands to put kunyero right here. Hello. So guys, do mtenga ma chips nzara. Yeah, but do mind that zukuno utuga saka mota. Nga mota karapa pako.
Like controller. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now and we're working on it. That's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me
Fruticana. Critical by Joseph Fruticana.
Hey.
Ndaura whether mama chipe 10 rand. Whether I had a good tongue, but masina naga
Moya ndanda muudza kuti ndindiwanisa something ipapo chiri nani.
Mwana chiri kugadzirwa here apo iyo.
Ari kuchema chemawo.
Wanna fit ne? Yeah. Okay. So let me put it in the car.
Okay, let me ask.
And this one also. So I guess it's up here at this point. What's that? I'm going to wear it. Yes, I'm going to wear it. Yes, and then yeah.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller.
So guys, tapa second location. Abantu bada kuiredira kuti ma inches nobata seat pana. And then they go clean up a space pana pa. Njenga za matani. So yeah, ndoso ada kuti pana. Ndaka clean up. Poiredirwa pana pa. Seats rogadzwa zvakanaka. And then that's the interior. Kanda peza, I'll go and wash the car. Or get it washed to car wash. So stay tuned. This is the seats. The question nene boza ngaru scrape ya nene. So yeah.
Controller.
So guys, to station. Ndaguza few ni beba din man. Ndaguza few ni beba din. Oh, sitra isko. Wasara ukugeza muno. Wasara mugezi wene kweshko nene. Sitra isko man. So yeah. Let's go together. I'm gonna put this 200. Right, varungu. This is oral advert. Tadzoka zvakare nemuswatingo advert. Akumanaka ndine varungu vanesa pa screen pana baba. Varungu ndo vanoita kuti video rore possible. Ndo vanoita kuti muswatinga uyu uvepo. Ndo some of the people vari kusupporta this channel to grow financially. So what I'm saying is machannel esa pana vari handika. Tine channel iri pana pai. Inoita zvekudecorate mba, zvekuclean mba, zvekubika, everything. I mean like everything amana charuda ngauri bachura ngauri mukadzi arorwa usari mukadzi ane utsvina anobohwa anzi rudo imoto runotokuchidzirwa vana mai ndo channel kunoona iyo kana uri mwana wefamily bachura everything about decorating cleaning the house. I mean like everything that you want you can go and check out that channel. Okay tine channel iri panapa iyi inogadzira mavideos mavlogs nechichichi channel yemukomana aroda zveyoutube. Go and check it out. Munokomena zvakare from praise. Tozenda channel iri panapa ishi. Channel iri panapa iyi. Channel murungu wangu. Murungu andisira futengi moti ya murugona andika. Around the praise. Mavideos angu ndakangosvika 1000 views chete ndikukuisa rimwe futengi mumoti ya murugona. So guys, tutaura kuti murungu ikoyo aritaura kuti adongoni kwa mavlogs ake chete. So tutaura kuti munhu yese go and comment from praise kuvarungu vayo video iri. Channel iri panapa iyi andika. So ndine vanhu zvakara ndaka collaborate panapa. Those people they pay their money to be collaborated to grow their channels. Go and support them. Go and like, comment, share. Mono subscribe my channels arwana. Mabaya paka subscribe bye. Panoda ma channel akawanda so. Musama see. Musa subscribe kwangu gadget. Go and subscribe to everyone. Collaborate kwa babu. Also vadaba channel promotions, vadaba collaborations. $50 only. Asanda kwiza. Pantoro ti ndu kwiza my manje because more time that feel. So ndu kwiza manje. So guys, thank you for love and support. And I won't disturb you again. But my channels are screen. Go and support them. Uyu murungu uyu. Murungu anonta tendo. Atisira futengi. Munonyora from praise. Vaanda zvekucleana nezvekudecorate. Channel iri panapa. Go and support. Chato chikumbiro varungu wavo. Anyways, asida kukudza zvakare or asida kurovana. Ndatenda.
I think I die for you. Do things when you want. hold me too, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah.
So you guys, I know I'm sun-kissed. Ooh. So you guys, we're at home now, and this is a little bit of our backyard. This one, we got a lemon tree here. My lemon are even my orange. They remain green like this. But I'm supposed to my lemon about then I yellow. And then I forgot to South Africa. Those guys, they are doing farming here in South. They are doing farming. I think you can see which bagichao story here to the other one of this back, which is Domunyo Vero. I think you can see, guys, we're on peaches. We got it's just a flower. What do you think about it? Oh, it's just weed. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, guys, they're actually doing, you know what I'm saying, good and better. South Africa, ever no swatch bag, feel me? Anyways, guys, right now we finna, wash the car, wash some seats, you know what I'm saying? You know what in the change my seat, my seat, because that car, it was like, a van, a delivery car, you know what I'm saying? So of course, name's my seat, name nika cage, you know what I'm saying? In Panagazo Tenga nigga, Nagaros noticed that, oh shit, so this guy is a delivery van. And number of Tenga when my city, but I was not to with it to Tenga Mota in my city. You yaga dakwa, just because I was out Tenga Mota is Nama City. You yaga naga. But the car was in very good condition. Engine Musha Tinga, the car, it was a Kanban car and it was serviced very well to that and it is service book. The repo is it was service naga. So I decided to check that one and do not check my city. And also, could I check price what the Tenga City one? It's not worth it. Sometimes we don't have to, to show you my statistics, but she waste my resources. So I decided to buy a second-hand seat, and you know what I'm saying, Rafid was Wanaga, now I have to go and clean it, you know what I'm saying, blah 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 blah. And about the car could surprise Zimbabwe, I'm still wondering too. Because I'm still, trying to, see which of them say has my duty or going on a TIP or what I say. But to be honest, it's very hectic, which is making me, try to decide what it is. So, don't just say anymore. Don't go into a business. Let's say, should we relocate to Johannesburg? Should we relocate to Cape Town? Let me know down in the comment section if we should relocate to, to Johannesburg. But my life is confusing though. I think I just relocate, but I did. I know my life is to pick up big. You know what I'm saying? That's how my life is now. I'm saying it's so confusing. But yeah, I told you, I'm not going to Zimbabwe for good. Definitely, I hate to come back to South Africa. And let me know, Kuti, should we come back to SA or are you loving Zim? Or should we go with the car to Zim or we should leave it in SA and come back to SA? I don't know. I'm leaving that for you guys. And also, please let me know down in the comment section if we should relocate to Johannesburg. If we were to relocate to South Africa, should we relocate to Johannesburg or to Cape Town? But to be honest, my heart loves Cape Town. I love Cape Town, to be honest. I got a lot of relatives there. I got a lot of friends and so many business opportunities there. Cape Town is so beautiful, no one lie. In Johannesburg, it's quiet. Things are cheap, but I'm gonna marry, to be honest. So, yeah, my heart is telling me to go in Kapa. You know what I'm saying? Kapa is a little bit dangerous, but you know what I'm saying? Hope you decide what you say. It is. Come sweating, let me show you. Come sweating. I think I'm just gonna reverse it a little bit back, and you know what I'm saying? And wash the seat. So my touch up some bata sofa. Tatinda my lights. Chango Sara chete bambed. This car was in Mpumalanga. You know what I'm saying? So I think you can see it in Mpumalanga plate. Don't mind about the place. Could we expose the because I change it now. Tap change book remote. So Chango Sara got some bamba papa chete. Chango tenga new one. That's what's we bata. I have a full spray, but I think we're gonna buy the new one. You know what I'm saying? And my tie, I think they're good now. I think I'm loving the black color, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I must see everything. So we're just gonna reverse it a little bit, mashuro, and then to try get some seats. yobva yachena. But yeah, guys, let me know how does the car looks. So the car, you say, let me show you from, you know what I'm saying, from the back. You say, I don't even know the coincidence. Shiva kunzi newa unga kwakataura kuti achidrive mota dzekukwereta. But you know, it's so sad someone anotora drive mota yekwereta achidrive mota yabereki. Yeah, 2008. But anyways, asuna basi. Ndo kamushatinga kachona. Muswatanza drive mota dzekukwereta ndo muswatabva tatenga mota ishi. Timwari, I don't even know. Vari kuziva kwazvakataurika. Vakazvoda vakaona the coincidence. Vakabva vaiona. But anyways, ndo reason ndafambira South Africa yekutenga mota. And I hear some of the people, yes, praise, be stable in life yako. Ndingaudzwa life now ndakona pa social media man. Come on guys. That's why I'm watching this page and napinda rafu zongeza yesiva mino zvino but ini my life yangu itori confusing pachezvayo. Ukamhanya kukomenda zina basa mangwana unonyara. Uchimwa bangwasisa something. Anyways, ndakwanza taura. This is you know the car. Let us reverse this and clean the seat. Let's get it.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you. And I won't leave from the
Oh. So guys, okay. Let me reduce. So copyright. So guys, we done now. Ekumbera ndo ma clean angles, they are not that bad. But yeah, we done with the back. So this is how it's looking like now. This is the final result. I'm sure they're clean, man. I'm gonna take it with the car wash, but I'm sure they're clean right now. Feel me? Yeah. So this is the out look, and yeah, this is the interior. That's how it looks like at night. And this is the car. Feel me? So yeah, I better guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I think today I'm gonna shoot a video for you guys to spend a day with me as an Uber driver in South Africa. I wanna do that video for you guys. I really miss doing Uber here in South Africa, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. If you want it, let me know in the comment section. If you have watched to the end, W today. W Chevy in the comment section. Chevy, I'm gonna put it on the screen. W Chevy, we mean Chevrolet. W Chevy in the comment section. Yes, Chevy. As you can see, there's a car and there's a Volvo down there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yeah guys, thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate it. W Chevy in the comment section if you've watched to the end. Let's get it.